Hey everyone, how's it going? So I just finished the Netflix series Castlevania, and it was a great show. I think there are a lot of cool characters that I would love to try drawing in there. So if you guys have any characters you want me to draw, definitely let me know. But I thought I'd start off by drawing Trevor Belmont, the star of the Castlevania series. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Trevor Belmont, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and we're just going to begin by making a little line that's going to come up. Then we're just going to bring this over here. Do the same thing here. We want to leave some space. We're just going to come up. And then we're just going to make a little line across. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to leave some space, and then we're going to bring this line up. Same thing here, we're going to just curve this line up, leave a little bit of space, and we'll do the same thing here. Now right inside of here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to go down and then up. We're going to make another one, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving a little bit white. Same thing here, we're going to color a little bit in and just leave a tiny bit white. Now starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and over, and then same thing here, we're going to curve up and then down just a little bit. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. We're going to curve this up, and we're going to put a little point on it. We're going to come up and then down here. Same thing here, we're going to go up, and we're going to come over. Curve this around, we'll make a little line down, and then we're going to come over here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around. And we'll do another one here. A little line's going to curve around. Another line's going to come up here, and then one more here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to put a little curve on it like that. Starting here, we're going to make a little smiley face shape for the nose. And then we're going to bring this line up and over. The same thing here, we're going to bring this line over. Now back by the eyes, I'm going to draw a little line underneath each eye. And I'm going to put a little line that kind of curves out right by each one. Now starting here, we want to make the mouth. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's just going to come down. It's going to come up and then back over. Right down here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and then up. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up. We're going to come over, and then we're going to come down. Now, starting right about here, we're going to make the side of the face. So we're just going to make a line that's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to bring this line in, and over here we're going to bring this line in. And then we're just going to come right across here for the chin. Now starting here for the ear, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to come up. It's going to curve around and down. And then right here we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down. It's going to come around here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. And we're going to do the same thing here for his scar. And then we want to add some of his hair. So to draw his hair, we're going to start right up here, and we're just going to make some long lines that are going to cut right through our face. So we're going to do one here, and we're going to do one that goes right through the eye, real skinny. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and then up. And then we're going to draw some more long little lines. So we'll do one here. And we'll do one that comes right across the top and then back up. We're going to make one that's going to come right through here. It's going to go down, it's going to come up and down, and then back up here. Then we're going to add some more kind of long pointy spikes for that hair. We'll make some come out here to some points. And we're going to make them come right off the paper. Over here, we're going to add some kind of more big pointed lines. And we're going to make some more kind of pointed shapes over here too. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we'll make a little one down here. Starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come out, and it's going to go down. We'll make a little line that's going to come down here, and it's going to curve across there like it's kind of blowing in the wind. Do the same thing here, just make a little pointed line that's going to go over and then down. And then we're going to make kind of like a bumpy little line that's going to come down here and over here. Next, on his face, we're going to kind of make his beard. So we're just going to make these kind of long lines all the way across. And they're just these long, kind of skinny lines. They're going to come all around here. I'm going to bring some of these lines for the hair up into here a little bit. Then we're going to make a little line right here for his neck. I'm going to make a couple little lines that come in for his nose. And we're going to put a couple little extra lines up here. I'm going to add some small little dash marks right here by his nose. And then a couple more kind of on his face in different spots. And there you go, there is your drawing of Trevor Belmont from Castlevania. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.